What's up everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. So my neighbor is so kind. She brought over a pile of wood chips for me, and they've been sitting over there since early fall, and I have broke down significantly. But what I'm going to do is take as much as this is possible and fill these tires. Okay, and that way when I get ready to put soil in, I don't have to put so much in. Okay, so use whatever type of organic matter that you possibly can to fill your beds. You can use grass clippings, newspaper, cardboard, you know, whatever it is that you want, and then top it off with the good stuff. I mean, that's some good stuff, but y'all know what I'm saying. Top it off with your compost or your garden mix, soil mix, or whatever it is that you have. So I'm just going to shovel these in, and I haven't had a chance really to look in the wood chips, but they look okay because they've been sitting out there, like I said, for a while. Look like a few worms, but other than that, looks pretty good. So, and I was checking for like termites, okay, because sometimes that happens. And I really don't want that in here if I can help it, okay? So I'm just going to fill it a little bit. And this will help also to suppress the weeds in the bottom. Just like that, y'all. Just a few scoops. And then if I have any left, I might just spread it out over here. Over the, I see. This is the paper I put in here a couple days ago. Let me just do it like this. So I'm gonna lay these wood chips down. These birds have really, I'm sorry y'all, camera. The birds have really been digging in here, and the squirrels, believe it or not, trying to find little food critters and things. So, that's all right. You know, we share a little bit with nature. That's one thing we do. But that's okay. I'm down for that. The birds, the squirrels, something just dug us all the way out. All right. Looking for what they looking for. That's cool. We just gonna stuff it back in. Wow, that was like all the way out. And then put some wood chips on top of it. Wow, this is a lot of wood chips. I really didn't think it was this much. It looked heavy when she was bringing it over. She had like a waste can, trash can, that rolled, of course. Yeah, it's more here than I thought, but it looks pretty good. I'm not sure what kind of tree it was though. I don't know. But what it did do, there were two trees that were kind of supporting each other. And the neighbor right directly behind me couldn't afford to get them cut down. So the neighbor next to them got them cut down. And so they used the wood chips to level out their yard near the fence. It kind of slopes down. And I was like, huh. That's a pretty good idea. So I don't know if y'all can see, but do you see what they did? There was a pile of wood chips right there, and they leveled it out. So they're trying to even it out. And I thought that was a really great idea, a great use of the wood chips. And then guess what? She wants to start a garden. So I'm excited to help them with that. This is my second year using wood chips in the garden. Last year I got a free wood chip drop, and I happened to be driving around the neighborhood, and there was a tree service cutting down some trees, and they had just finished. And I pulled up at the stop sign where they were, and I said, "Sir, what you gonna do with them wood chips?" "Take them to a dump." I said, "Could you follow me to my house?" And he said, "Well, where are you at?" I said, "Down the street and around the corner. I promise you, like less than a half a mile." He said, "All right." And he followed me here, and they dumped them right there. And I mean, the height of that pile was probably up to the shed, like the half, you know, almost to the roof right there. And so check out my video or my playlist on wood chips, okay, so you can see. But it was something else. What is she doing? What is she doing? Don't be hiding. Okay, y'all, well, that's it. I'm out of here. Y'all know I'll talk to y'all later. I love y'all. Bye.